racing just started. We have Larmagnac. Break quickly at the start. Beautiful Bell in the middle. Moving up now, Warrior is Platinum Garden. Then next on, that is out of sight. Pride and Joy. Expecting Kaitlyn. Shadow Grove comes next. Renzi Smile. Lucky. Olemi Tatara second last, while Jen's Joy is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Beautiful Bell alongside comes Platinum Garden. 7 lengths further back in third comes out of sight. Moving up Oriao expecting Kaitlyn. La Armagnac, Shadow Grove, Pride and Joy, Renzi Smile, Tatara, Jen's Joy second last, while Lucky Olimi is racing in 11th. And at the fourth turn, we have a Platinum Garden. Now takes the lead, this time by about 6 lengths. And in second comes Beautiful Bell. Coming closer now is entry number 8, and this one is expecting Kaitlyn. Then followed over by Out of Sight. Pride and Joy comes next. La Armagnac, Tatara, and Diana entering the home stretch. Platinum Garden by only a length. Then here comes Expecting Kaitlyn. Now moving up on the outside, running by the release out of sight. Tatara comes next. Pride and Joy with about 100 meters of the race. We're out of sight, followed by Expecting Kaitlyn. Tatara in the middle, and finally it's out of sight. Tatara, then comes Expecting Kaitlyn, Pride and Joy. Platinum.